Hey guys, today I'm going to show you my gumball machine. This is my gumball machine made by the company Carousel. Well, that's the brand, I think. Well, whatever. So I'm going to show you what you need if you want to make it. So you'll need a very large well, this. See? Now, and you'll need one of these. You'll need a bolt, a nut. Yeah, there's a nut. Sorry, not bolt. That's a bolt. Kind of confused with that. You'll need a bolt like this. You'll need, I don't actually know what this is called, but yeah. You'll need the holder for this. You'll need this. It's kind of hard to get, but yeah. You will need another holder like that, that's larger. You'll need one of these. I don't actually know what it's called. And this dispenses the gumballs. Now, stop gumball. But okay, you'll need. So what you'll need to, and you'll need this. So what you'll need to do is first put that down. And you'll have to put them like this together. One second. Oh, there we go. So you'll need to put that down like that. Then you'll need to twist this where it goes. Yeah. And put this. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So you put it. So you put that there and that on there. Now, once you got those on there, you will need the glass. Put that gently on there so it looks like this. But be gentle or else the glass will break. So then once you get this, put it on the glass. Like that. And then what you'll need to do, get this, then get the nut, screw it on there. Just speed this up real quick. So then you get that, screw it on, then get your little screw thing and screw that on right here. And there you go, got your gumball machine. So now I will show you that it actually works and it's not fake. One second, I just need some money. Okay. So got my money right here. Now, so I'll unscrew the top real quick. I have some candy right here too. So screw that back on. Screw it on. Got my candy in here. Now Watch. So, that was my video. Please like and subscribe to this video. Please. So, yeah, that's it. But please say in your comments what video you'd like me to do, because I'm kind of running out of ideas of what to do. So please say what you'd like me to do, and I will do it. So again, please say what you'd like me to do, and I'll do it. And that is it, I guess, for this video. But I'm going to make many more today, and please like and subscribe very fast, because I'm so sorry with ideas.